Hey guys, so I just wanted to come on here and show you these contacts. These are Honey from ColorCLShop, and this is them. I do want to be honest and say that sometimes if you take a picture, it looks like the pupil moved over. You know what I mean? Like almost like a frog eye look, which is the death of all contacts. But it's not that noticeable at all, and it only happens sometimes, and not with all my ColorCLShop contacts. So I'll try it with these actually and see if it doesn't, and I'll insert it maybe. But right now they look great. Now my eyes are oval shaped because I have astigmatism, so the shape is a little different, which will give the frog eye appearance sometimes when you wear contacts anyway, just because of the way that it sits on them. But I feel like these are doing pretty well. Usually the ColorCLShop, they do probably the best out of a lot of other contacts. These, and there's a few other companies that I also use that they do really well. Like when you take a picture, it doesn't look like the frog eye appearance. But to me, these Honey look like more green. I guess like hazel. I love that they have all the little colors, the little streaks in them. It just adds that like texture. I love that. I love them. I think they're so natural. And these are the contacts, say these and my Fresh Tone contacts are the only contacts so far where people will come up to me and say, I didn't know you had this color eye. And it's like, really contacts. These don't have a limbo ring, which I love a limbo ring because I think it just looks, I hope that's how you say it. But I just feel like it looks way more natural for me. But I still think that these look really natural even without it. And like up close, I love contacts where up close it still looks like an eye. You know, it's not one pixel. Just blends so naturally and really, 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 really nice. I didn't wear these at first because the first time that I put them on, they looked like werewolf yellow, and I was not feeling them, so I wore like sugar brown, which I also have a review on, and those are probably my all-time favorite. But these might be creeping up because they're really nice. The color, I thought it was so bright at first. Now it just like, I feel like it just really blends. And I'm not one to really, I'm not a fan of really natural looking contact, like subtle, like where you can't tell, because if I take the time to put it in my eye, everybody's gonna know that the eye color changed. And I want to be like, are your eyes a little bit different? No, I want to be like, oh, nice eyes, you know? Because you don't spend money to look like you look every day. Oh, I don't. Oh, by the way, these are only 15 bucks. Get them. 15 bucks? Where they do that at? At ColorCLShop, clearly. But I love a good, contact deal. And also, these are so comfy, which is my favorite. Like, when I first put them in, though, with all my contacts, it literally takes me maybe like 20 minutes before I don't feel them anymore. And maybe that's just me. And I don't know. The shape of my eye, I don't know. But it usually takes me a while. But these, I like them. I'm going to see if I like them at the end of the day. Because right now, I just, I put them in and I'm like, yay. So we'll see how I feel at the end of the day if I still like them. But for now, they're really, really nice. And I would totally recommend them. So once again, here's them. Because I hate when people don't actually show the contact and they just do their makeup the whole time like this. You can't see the contact. I'm like, come on, look up. So I just wanted to do one where you're actually looking.